If you're looking for a practical mini MPV and don't want to spend a fortune on repairs or maintenance, this one might surprise you. Introducing the Toyota Tank, produced between 2016 and 2020. Toyota's intelligent solution for daily driving, built on the vision of one LD car, which features a compact exterior footprint yet offers a spacious and comfortable interior, and smooth, easy driving performance to match. Here we're exploring how Toyota managed to stretch its compact engineering to a tall, practical wagon-style body. Overview. It's definitely a boxy car, no hiding that from the outside. And that's where the name Tank comes from. It's like a water tank, designed to contain far more than you'd think possible in a thing this size. It's super compact and easy to handle in tight city traffic with a total length of just 3.7 meters. But the clever bit is the 249 centimeters wheelbase. That's what gives it that surprisingly roomy layout inside. That tall, squared-off roofline gives the car a width of 167 centimeters and a height of around 173 centimeters. The model presented here is just one of 16 available trim options. To be precise, the Toyota Tank and Toyota Roomy are exactly the same car. They are actually made by Daihatsu, which also sells this car badged as the Daihatsu THOR and the Subaru JUSTY. All of these versions differ slightly visually, and you can get different headlight clusters, unique front bumpers, and several types of taillight designs combined with matching rear bumpers. In November 2018, the model across all brands received an active safety improvement that added standard collision avoidance systems and slightly altered the exterior details. In terms of driving quality, nothing has evolved. The Tank, designed as a budget-friendly compact MPV, should be perceived as a highly practical 5-seater, rather than a full-fledged minivan like the bigger Toyota SIENTA. Although the SIENTA sits above it in the lineup, the Tank's interior feels incredibly roomy, utilizing walk-through front seats and power sliding doors. Ride quality and safety features. So, just how comfortable is the ride in the Toyota Tank and its siblings? Honestly, it's one of those cars that just feels easy to drive in the city straight away. It's small and can fit anywhere. Its turning radius is just 4.6 meters with 14-inch wheels, or slightly more at 4.7 with 15-inch wheels. So tight streets and parking spots aren't a problem at all. The suspension is basic, nothing extraordinary. It's neither soft and fluffy nor stiff and sporty. It's just simple and built for everyday urban driving. At about 1,070 kilograms, it's light, so it moves around town without feeling heavy or fatiguing. Inside, it's perfectly adequate for normal use. It's comfortable enough around town, but once you get up to faster speeds, you start to hear more road noise and the engine revving in the background. It's not particularly quiet, but that's to be expected in this class. Interior and luggage capacity. As mentioned earlier, the interior layout is designed for maximum utility. Visibility is generally good, and the high seating position provides an excellent view of the road, particularly at intersections. The walk-through front seats allow vehicle occupants to move between the front and rear seats smoothly, a feature that both drivers and passengers will find highly practical. The air conditioning is efficient, cooling the cabin quickly despite the large glass area. The Tank and its siblings come as standard with UV-cut glass to reduce heat buildup in the cabin. Some trims also come with advanced infotainment systems. One of the most frequently found practical extras is the one-touch power electric sliding doors on both sides, which make entry and exit quick and convenient. In the back, occupants enjoy outstanding comfort and flexibility. The rear seats can be slid forward by up to 24 centimeters and reclined by up to 70 degrees. The distance between the front and rear passengers has been designed to be as far apart as 110 centimeters. This provides an exceptionally spacious area for passengers, not to mention the standard dive-in rear seat mechanism, which facilitates carrying large items. Interior dimensions are 218 centimeters long, 148 centimeters wide, and 135.5 centimeters in height. Now let's take a look at the boot space, which is genuinely impressive. The wide-opening tailgate provides a generous 107 centimeters entry width, allowing you to load items with ease. The loading edge lip remains at a convenient 52.5 centimeters. One of the standout features is the versatile sliding rear bench, which enables you to adjust your cargo capacity as needed. When you fold the seats completely flat, you unlock a loading area exceeding 150 centimeters in length, more than enough room to easily accommodate large, bulky objects, or even 2 full-size bicycles. This gives the vehicle a significant advantage in terms of everyday utility. Even when the seats aren't folded down, there's still plenty of space. With the rear row pushed all the way back to comfortably seat 5 occupants, the boot can easily hold 4 carry-on suitcases. Price at BEFORWARD. You can buy similar Toyota Tank and its sibling models at BEFORWARD. The 2016 to 2020 model starts from around $2,000 US. Explore stock of over 1,000 Toyota Tank and over 1,000 Toyota Roomy models, plus the Daihatsu THOR and Subaru JUSTY. Check the link in the description below for current stock and pricing. Our inventory is updated daily. Engine options and efficiency. Toyota Tank and its sister models are powered by 2 types of engine. Here we have the base option, a naturally aspirated 3-cylinder 1-liter engine optimized for city commuting, though it may feel underpowered when the car is fully loaded. Its power peak is 69 PS and it offers 92 Nm of torque. The 1KR FE powers both the all-wheel drive models and the base front-wheel drive versions. Alternatively, you can opt for the more powerful 1-liter turbocharged straight-3 1KR VET variant, which exclusively powers the front wheels. With a displacement of almost 1 liter, 996 cubic centimeters, the turbocharged 1KR VET delivers 98 PS and 140 Nm of torque. Both engine options are paired with the exact same continuously variable transmission, CVT. Real-life fuel efficiency is acceptable for a non-hybrid car. The naturally aspirated front-wheel drive 1-liter engine achieves an average of around 6.35 liters per 100 kilometers, while the turbocharged front-wheel drive 1-liter engine achieves an average of around 7.8 liters per 100 kilometers. The 4-wheel drive model tends to consume around 7.3 liters per 100 kilometers. The fuel tank's volume is 36 liters. If you're looking for quality car at great price, visit BEFORWARD.JP. We offer a vast selection of vehicles to suit every taste and budget. You can also send your inquiries to top@BEFORWARD.JP.